Good morning from sunny and very nice Da Nang, Vietnam. And I have a brand new guest here for our podcast, Successful on Purpose. This is Eni Edwards. I'm a Saladmaster dealer based in Chicago. And I'm visiting our Lion Division Travel Club. And we had a wonderful 4 or 5 days here with the entire global family, Saladmaster family from the Lion Division that covers Indonesia, Malaysia, Thailand, Hong Kong, Singapore, Cambodia, Bhutan, what else? Australia and New Zealand. Yeah, everybody were combined into this travel club, and we had a wonderful time. Lots to learn. Yeah, we met a lot of new people, and I let my guest introduce herself.
Okay, hi Eni. Yeah, I'm Nannette Jamilarin. Yeah, I'm the ASEAN Sales Director, and I manage our dealers, 15 dealers in the Philippines, and about 5 active dealers in Asia, which is Hong Kong, Singapore, Thailand, and Cambodia, and
Okay.
Brunei.
Brunei.
Yes.
Okay. So how long you been with Saladmaster now?
I started with Saladmaster in 1998. That was August.
1998. Okay.
That was 27 years ago.
Wow, that's
Yeah,
a long time.
I started as an associate, which is now the new team member. Then I rose to the ranks. I became a senior consultant, group manager, distributor, and a direct dealer in Toronto, Canada.
Okay. So how
Under
long-
under the
Under who?
leadership, and my promoting dealer was Papa Pidoy,
Papa Pidoy.
and Mama Ting of AC TriStar Marketing. Yes.
So you come from Eagle Division,
Yes.
actually.
Trained
now
in the
I
Eagle.
know. Now I
Trained
know.
in the Eagle division.
So how long you been a sales director now?
It started actually 2013. I was sent to the Philippines to manage our 4 concept branded offices. Then it grew from 8. We are now about 16 dealership, 16 dealerships in the Philippines, and Saladmaster has been in the Philippines for more than 55 years.
55 years in
Yeah.
the market. So we have 80th anniversary coming now in 2026.
Next year.
So our global family is preparing for the big celebration back in U.S. In Milwaukee, Wisconsin, and we are all excited about that. You've been with Saladmaster 27 years,
Years.
and we are
And beyond.
and beyond, and we are crossing that big 80 milestone in our company. And throughout the years, I'm sure you've seen lots of different things, and how you see the future beyond the 80-year anniversary of our company and brand.
Since 1998, I've I've been under 4 presidents. Yeah, so I'm this after the 80th anniversary, we have that walk through the door.
Yeah.
Okay, we are in the social. We have like social media. We have millennials coming in the business. We have the ambassadors. Those who have been in the business for 30 years, 44 years. Now we can see a very bright future in Saladmaster.
Especially, I think, in Asian market. Yeah, the Asian market keeps growing, and we have
Yes.
very dynamic now market growing in Australia. Yeah, so we have a lot of new dealers coming in
Yes,
those
yes.
areas, and I think it's going
Younger.
to continue to grow and continue to expand into that area. Yeah.
I'm old school, Ini,
Huh?
but I'm willing old school.
Oh, okay.
But I'm willing to learn. I'm learn how the millennials are doing. They can even do virtual
Yes.
without even cooking. They can sell. So
Yes.
so it's nice to have this a new
Way of-
Yeah, the Saladmaster way, the Regal way.
Uh-huh.
So we just follow the trend. Yeah.
So you are, in operation, the day-to-day operation with, all these dealers here in Asia, and you support them throughout, their challenges and obstacles and stuff like that. So with all this growth that's coming, into this market, where you see, do you see like a turning point at some point that it's gonna just thrive like this, Right now we are still, kind of
Yes.
expanding into the
Yes,
market, yeah?
yes. We are looking for lateral dealers. We are opening
New
more
markets.
new markets. Yeah, we are open to that, and we are looking also at younger
generation.
young generation to be dealers in the Philippines, because most of our dealers are like uh, 20, 30 years in the
Oh,
business.
okay.
So there's like a 50-50%
Uh-huh.
combination of millennials and ambassadors and ambassadors in
Okay.
each dealership right now. And we
Nice.
are looking at this year, we are now at 5% growth, and there's still 4 months to go.
4 months
So
still to go.
we are on target.
Oh,
Yeah,
nice,
and
nice,
our goals,
nice,
yes.
nice. So what's for you personally, you've been with the company for so many years. What does Saladmaster mean to you? What Saladmaster brought into your life?
Yeah. I started when I was 35, and I'll be 64. So half of my life is with Saladmaster.
Saladmaster.
And this is the only business. This is the only business that I joined, and beyond that, I'm not looking for other opportunities. I'm going to work with Saladmaster as long as they need me, and they need my support
Nice.
to the
Nice,
ASEAN
nice,
region.
Nice, nice. We have a lot of people, new consultants coming in, new distributors coming in to the field right now. So some of them may be struggling, some of them may not see the big picture, and some of them may be kind of reluctant, not sure if they want to be a dealer or not. Yeah. So if they want to be involved full time into this business, what would you tell them if they're struggling, not seeing the big picture?
Yeah, there are the business is there are months that it's really peak season, and there are months that are slow. So my pieces of advice will be just keep on going, just increase your activities. Activities is the lifeblood of our business. If you book, you cook, then you can find your new team members, and sale will just follow.
Yeah.
Sales
yeah,
will just
yeah.
follow.
So with the company, you've been for so many years. You've been in many, many travel clubs, many, many LCEs. Yeah. Which maybe pick one that
Pick one.
made it very memorable, and what was it?
That will be Serengeti.
Serengeti.
Yeah, it
the
was
master dealer
master
trip.
dealer trip that year, 2023. We have two executive elite master dealer. So we were in Serengeti.
Africa.
After that, and we went also to Zurich and Prague.
Oh, in Zurich
Yeah,
and Prague.
that
So
was
what
also
was so special about Serengeti?
Serengeti is, you know, maybe only a few, okay, only a few will be able to go on that trip. Yeah, it's. I know it's very expensive. We were at Four Seasons Hotel, and when you see the nature there, it's
Breathtaking.
breathtaking. Yeah. I don't know if not with Saladmaster, I won't be able to go to this
To these places. A lot of these
yes.
places, yeah. Yeah, you can go and do a tour and all that stuff, but it's different when you are with the Saladmaster group, when you
Family,
when you have your extended family with you, yeah, and going through these trips, and it's a lot of good memories. Not only the location of the trip, yeah, but also the people that you are with, yeah.
Yeah.
So Serengeti, I think. I asked many people about this question, and a lot of people told me
About
Serengeti was
Serengeti.
one of the top.
Yeah.
And my promoting dealers were also there. Yeah, that was my first year in Saladmaster,
yes.
and my dealers went to that trip. So I saw the pictures, and it just looks wonderful. And
Very memorable.
it's very,
Very
it's hard to
I won't
describe.
forget. I won't forget that
Experience.
experience.
Yeah?
Yeah, because even if I work, I'm employed. I'm a civil engineer by profession, and I think I cannot save that money and go for a trip to Serengeti.
Yeah,
if not
yeah.
for the master dealers, it's a master dealer travel club, and I really salute all the dealers in the Philippines and Asia for bringing me there.
Bringing you
Yeah.
you to that trip. Yeah.
Experience. It's
Yeah.
really an experience.
Wow, that's pretty amazing. So, living from this trip in Da Nang, Vietnam. Yeah, we enjoyed the
Yes,
the
yes,
view. Oh
Da
my
Nang.
gosh, we are in such a beautiful location, right on the beach, a beautiful property. I love Asian breakfast. I
Yes.
only eat breakfast in Asia because the food was amazing, yeah. And we had over 250 people
People
here.
here,
And
too.
you were one of the main organizers of this trip. And
With
it's-
Ben,
and Ben,
we have
Claire.
our senior vice president Terry White, our country managing director Claire Duke, and you have Mr. Ben Bowler.
Yes, yes. So it
Yeah.
was a combination of a lot of work and a lot of planning and a lot of setting up. So when is the next LC? Where is it?
In Manila, I will.
Oh,
Would
Manila,
like
yeah.
to invite you.
Oh, yes. Yes,
That's in
thank
January.
you very much. Yeah.
That's in
I would
January.
love
You're
to
welcome.
come to Manila.
You're welcome to Manila.
Yes, so-
Philippines.
So there is an LC coming up in Philippines in January. and
It's a
also-
kick-off
Kick-off?
event.
Kickoff event.
Yes.
Okay, and then we have another travel club coming up in Australia. Yeah.
Oh, yes, they do. We're not sure if we're joining because we're going to Milwaukee.
Yes. So next
in
year
August.
it's a big
Yes,
preparation
preparation.
for the Milwaukee trip. Yeah.
Yes, we are having right now a contest so that we can bring people from the Philippines and also from Hong Kong and Singapore.
And I think we are expecting over 1,500 people.
Yes,
over
1,000. Yeah, 1,600.
1,600 plus people
Plus.
from all over the world. Yeah. So that's gonna be very exciting.
So I'll
because
see you there.
Yes, it's
Chicago. Chicago.
my homeland.
Yes.
Yeah. So, yeah, we'll be a lot of people. I think will be staying extra 2-3 days in
Yes,
Chicago
in
to
Chicago.
visit Chicago on the way to Milwaukee. It's only 2 hours away.
Yes.
So
It's like 10 hours by long driving to Toronto, where I'm based.
oh,
Yes.
nice. So thank you very much,
Thank you.
Nannette, and thank you for inviting me to your next event. It's always pleasure. It's always I look forward to these trips and next events and travel clubs. It's always fun to go, and I met so many new people here because we had the whole line division
Yes.
here. It's not
You're a
unusual.
special guest.
Yes, very
Yeah.
unusual time, when I came here. So I was super excited and I was not disappointed, that's for sure. So it was a very fun, really, enlightening and a very, also very, with this location, who's not going to like this?
Yes.
Yeah.
But I'll see you somewhere in the master dealer trip.
Oh yes, that's coming.
Yeah.
That's coming. So for the 80th, that's
Yeah,
the plan.
80th,
Yeah,
yeah.
for the 80th anniversary, I would like to become a master dealer. Yeah, so and go because our master dealer.
I heard a lot of. I mean, in the at Facebook, I can see all your interviews and.
Activities.
Yes, I said, when will Eni have a chance to interview me? Now I'm here in Da Nang,
Nice. Because I missed you. I missed you in Madrid.
Madrid. Yeah.
And I missed you on another one too. I missed you too. I didn't have a chance to interview you. So this is a perfect time to
I
do
love
the interview.
your story.
Oh,
Yes,
nice,
yes.
nice. You know why I started this podcast was when I came to Saladmaster and I saw all these wonderful people, dealers that work and make this company and this brand all around, representing it all around the world. I said, we need to put this into some kind of documentation,
Yes, yes.
you know, and introduce all these wonderful people all around the world. Everybody should know about them, how
You're
good
doing
they are.
a great job. You're
So-
doing a great job.
So this is my gift to Salad, my small personal contribution to Saladmaster family and Saladmaster brand worldwide, to introduce the people that we have in this business and how wonderful our family is. And
We are family.
We truly, you know, I got a huge global family on top of my own family. I got a Saladmaster family, which they embraced me. And when I went to my first LCE, that's what I felt. I'm home.
You're home.
That's
Yeah.
why I decided to become a dealer. It was my first LCE in Dallas, Texas,
Congratulations.
3 years ago, and that's how I decided. You know, I'm gonna shoot for a dealer. Yeah,
You're
so-
on the top of the world.
Yes, yes. Thank you, Nannette.
Thank you, Eni.
Yes,
Yeah.
we'll see you somewhere in the world, and hopefully in Manila.
Yes.
Hopefully sometime soon we'll
Looking
see you.
forward to
Yes. So.
Okay, bye, Danang.
Bye, Danang. We enjoyed it. You're hosting us here, the Saladmaster family in Danang. It's been beautiful here. So thank you very much, and we'll see you again on our next
80th
episode.
anniversary in Milwaukee. That's in August next year.
So we'll see you everyone in Milwaukee, hopefully, and we'll. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be big, huge reunion. I mean, we had big reunion in Madrid last year, and it was just an amazing event. I could not get enough of it, you know. I was so sad when it finished, you know. I was really sad when the whole event was over. I felt that sadness. Oh, you know, you want to just keep going, you know. It was so good, and it's such a fun event. So I'm looking forward to Milwaukee. So.
And Chicago.
Yes, and Chicago, and everybody will be coming in to visit Chicago. So we'll be hosting you in Chicago soon,
Yes,
yeah? This
yes,
year,
yes.
next
Thank
coming
you very
year.
much.
Okay,
Thank you. For giving me
you.
the opportunity. Thank you, Eni.
Thank you, and see you next time.